Okay, earlier in the newscast, we told you that the lawyer for the Heenies, the balloon boy, as he's been dubbed here, is in Grand Rapids, and he's here with us right now. David Lane
joins us via the phone. David, thanks for joining us this morning. Can you give us a little more why you are here in Grand Rapids on that federal case you were describing?
I am here because under federal law, anytime the federal government has someone indicted on potentially capital charges, they are entitled to a lawyer who has background in death penalty defense. And Michigan, being a civilized state, has no death penalty. So from time to time, the feds have to bring in lawyers from out of state.
Which case is that, if you can tell us this morning?
It's the Saba case.
So what's new in the Saba case, then? What's going on there?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing is new.
So you just continue to kind of prepare for that case, then?
Yeah, I mean, the federal government has indicted him on potentially capital charges, and as a result, they are required by law to have a guy like me out there to take a look at the possible death penalty aspects of the case.
Wow. So did the Saba family hire you? Is Ronnie Saba hired you?
Court appointed by the federal government.
And you will continue to work that case. And how long are you going to be in Grand Rapids?
I'm going to leave tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning? Great. Well, we'd love to talk to you prior to that. In addition, you're getting a lot of attention because of what's going on with the Balloon Boy case.
Absolutely.
What's been happening in that?
Well, I've spoken to the Larimer County, Colorado District Attorney's Office, and they expect charges to be filed next week at some point.
And, of course, you are representing Richard Heaney and the rest of the family. Is that correct?
Just Richard at this point.
Just Richard.
In any criminal case, because there's a potential for a conflict of interest, they normally have one lawyer per suspect.
Okay. And what charges might he face specifically?
Well, they're talking about basically lying to the authorities, kinds of related charges, trying to influence a public servant, charges relating to child endangerment, things of that nature, contributing to the delinquency of a minor.
Yeah, you talked to Richard Heaney, and obviously, and is he still denying this case, denying that this was a hoax?
Well, I mean, the Heaneys are denying it. They are going to plead not guilty. I've said we are analogous to a batter standing in the batter's box waiting for the pitcher to throw the pitch. You can't swing until they throw a pitch. I will be very interested to see what evidence they believe they have against the Heaneys, and we will proceed accordingly.
All right, David Lane, thank you so much for joining us this morning in Grand Rapids on that federal case, but also obviously connected to the Balloon Boy case, as it's called. We're going to try to talk to you before you leave Grand Rapids tomorrow. We appreciate your time this morning.
Hey, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.